And welcome to Robin's house. Look what came in the mail today. So I got my April paper pumpkin. I've been waiting for this is my March paper pumpkin, sorry. My March paper pumpkin, I've been waiting this for forever because look, it has bees. So I'm gonna have my unboxing kit so you can see what's inside. So I've got a Lost Lagoon, which I don't have yet, so that's very exciting. And this one has two stamp sets in it. They said it has two because this is the anniversary. I think, oh, I don't know what year. But it's been several years. But anyway, March is apparently the anniversary of when Paper Pumpkin started. So we get to have two stamp sets, and it's really cute. We got a nice flower, some distressed honeycombs, and then we've got some blank honeycombs on this one, and a pretty good size bee, and then some messages. So that's super fun. I see happy birthday. I see enjoy your special day. That's a nice one. Enjoy your special day. Sweetest birthday wishes. Thank you. Wishing you brighter days ahead. And thank you for always being there for me. Isn't that nice? There we go. And then we're opening this up to see what our kit looks like. I'll get you that. And gotta take the plastic off. So of course, in the kit, you always get on the back side here the instructions. So this is a quick sneak peek of all the projects, three each of three card designs. And then it tells you the steps. And it doesn't use any words, just various pictures of put your stamp on this block and put your foamies on one. And so it also gives you a little thing. So when you save your stamps, you can remember what they look like. It always comes with some glue dots and some foam squares in there. Ooh, this one is even foam strips, so that's something new. And then we've got these cute envelopes. Oh my gosh, look at these. So we get three of this honeycomb with the bees and some daisies, and three with some daisies and some honeycomb and a bee. And then some cute blue daisies. Oh, how pretty. And then the card bases, let's see, we get some honeycomb. And if you love this, you could easily just cut this off and make two cards out of the super cute base. And we got, ooh, some vellum pieces and some plain, not plain, some textured blue, a light blue cardstock. Again, if you wanted more of it, you could just cut it in half, create your own design. Ooh, this one's got some UVAU shiny spots. Can you see that? Pretty pretty. And then this is a really light yellow card base. Just enough to stress on there to add a little bit of color. Super cute. Ooh, and then these are little gold honeycomb pieces. Nice and shiny. Some cute decorative green splotches. And then we've got the die cut shapes. Look at these cute bays. Looks like there's one, two, three. Oh, yay. Three sheets of these pretty die cuts. Some long strips, some standalone daisies, and then some bees, lots of bees. And then some places for messages. So these are super cute. I'm so excited to make my special bees. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.